Here is your girl, 2 Degrees No Job, and we're back, and this is Christmas edition. First tip here is when you're unraveling, I think that's the word unraveling? Whatever. When you take out your tree and you're about to put it out, you do one down, one up. One down, one up. Because you want to make it look very full. So one up. I should have worn gloves. I'm not gonna make it cheap. Oh. Yeah, come on. Ooh, look, rocks are coming through already. Why you have gloves?
Just in case I need it. I don't know, COVID.
Coronavirus. This is tip 0.5. If possible, wear gloves because this gets like itchy on the hands. So that I can spread those out and can create consistency throughout the entire tree. I like to put these inside the tree, the outside, in the middle. Just like when you do this, you have to make sure that you're putting it everywhere. Do not be stingy. Buy enough ornaments so that you can spread it throughout the entire tree, even the back, because come on, give the back some love. That sounds weird, but whatever. Excuse the fuzz. Another great tip is adding pine cones to your trees. It fills the tree up if you don't have all the ornaments, so yeah. You want to wrap the stem around the pine cone and it will stay there just like that. Just kidding, this is for the tree. Hey there. Can you see me?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I had to come back because I honestly was losing sleep over the fact that something is missing. So the next and hopefully last tip that I'm going to give you all is to add garland. And garland will really give the tree that look that you're looking for. And they have pom-poms and tassels, and this is gonna really work because it's going to add in the little boho feel that's already in here, and it brings back the wood and the warm tones. You're gonna wrap it around the branches. start it by prefacing that I always say this all the time, but this is my favorite video. This was a blast, and the best part is that I'm not taking this tree down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, peace. I'm being shy right now because they're here, but they're not looking, which is good. It's your girl. No me miren.
Just pretend they're pickles. Come on.
Ew, okay, focus. Does it not see that kind of?
You have mad fuzz on you, but.
Sweetheart, since you still watching or whatever, like, what's up? Watch my other videos. Like, I do home decor and DIY videos every 2 weeks. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram. It's at 2degreesnojob. So, yeah.